Nowadays, everybody is talking about low-code development. But what is low-code development? What skills do you need? What can you actually do with it? And at the end, does it make any sense? Today, we're going to talk about it, all the advantages, and how you can use it to your advantage. Low-code is a visual approach to software development. That means you don't have to write lines and lines of code. You use a visual editor, and just by using drag and drop and visually building your software, like stacking Lego bricks, you can actually build a ready-to-ship solution. And if you need to have like this little extra punch, you can dive in and write a few lines of code to finish it off and to really make it your own solution. That's why it's called low code and not no code. But what skills do you actually need for low code? You don't need to learn programming languages. You don't need to have a deep understanding of IT. It's best to have like a meta level understanding of IT, but go deep into your own processes that you actually want to digitize. That means you're no longer dependent on a large IT department. You're no longer dependent on skilled IT developers. You can do all your processes by your own and build your own solutions just by understanding how you want to do it. Does it mean that you actually don't have to write any lines of code anymore? It might be. It might not be. It totally depends. So most of the time and for most projects, you can probably just use visual editors to build your full solution. Maybe for the last 5 or 10%, you actually need a skilled developer, or you can even learn it by your own to make the solution just fit perfectly to your processes so that it's a perfect solution for you. What can you actually do with low code? It can be a simple form. If you submit data through the form and do something with the data, then it's already a process. A process can involve an approval. It can involve notification of somebody. It can alter any other data. It can generate documents. And if you stack all these processes together, you have a full solution. So that's what you can do with low code. Simple form, a process, a solution. And if you have any question or if you think about a process and you don't know if you can actually do it or solve it with low code, just contact us directly. We're happy to help free of charge. At the end, it all comes down to one simple question. Do you want to modernize your processes? If you say yes, then low code might be your perfect solution because you can cut down development time, you cut down dependencies to slow IT departments, and you can actually take full control of your processes and build them one by one to modernize your full company. Now you have a basic understanding of low-code development and its advantages. And if you want to know more about low-code, especially in the SharePoint environment, Microsoft 365, then just follow our videos, follow our channel. We'll see you in the next video.